This is Jordy from Sinful Tidbits, and today I'm making Medu Vada. For starters, I'm going to grate a bunch of ginger. Takes quite a bit for this. Even though I'm going to blend it up, I want to make sure that this ginger's grated. I don't want any chunks in it. So that's why we're going to just grate it first anyhow. If a chunk gets in there like that, it's not a big deal because it probably will get blended up, but I want to give it the best chance that I can to actually blend up. That's probably good enough. Next, I've soaked some black dough. I've soaked it for several hours now, and you gotta drain all the liquid out of it. You really don't want any liquid in this because it just doesn't work. Doesn't fry up nearly as well. So we'll put that in, and then some salt. I would say like a maybe a teaspoon. Yeah, somewhere around there. Hey. Don't want any of that in there. There we go. Perfect. Alright. Now the fun part. This is called blender abuse. That's what I was waiting for. Look at that, that's nice. It's really hard to blend this stuff up without any liquid in it, other than what's in there from soaking it. So that's why we get that problem. Now we got curry leaves. A couple of sprigs and branches of curry leaves. I'm gonna cut those up reasonably well. Since we're not going to blend them in, we're just going to mix them in. Alright, plop those in, and then some black peppercorn. Yeah, a little bit black peppercorn, that's probably too much. We'll just use what's appropriate. We do have to cut them up though. Otherwise they're just, it's not very pleasant to get a huge chunk of peppercorn in your mouth. I mean, maybe you like that, but my wife does not like that. Happy wife, happy life. That's kind of too much, but I don't want ground pepper. I want chunks like that. I want some red pepper too. Get a whole chili here. A couple whole chilies. These aren't the right ones, but they're gonna be good anyway. We're just really cutting them up, and it's almost a texture thing as much as it's a flavor thing. In this case, gives a little bit of color, a little bit of texture to go with it. Okay. Let's put some of those peppercorns in. We can always add more later, but it's really hard to pick them out individually. So we'll kind of go with this. These will be spicy. I don't have to use a spoon, but I'm going to use a spoon just to kind of mix it all up. Mix it together. You know what, it could really use any amount of any of it. Yeah. Let's go for broke. I think I want a little more curry leaf too. Do another sprig. Another sprig of curry leaf. I think I've got time. Find out. Oh, not much time. That's ready to go. Don't want that any hotter. I want that about 370 to 385. That's just about right. And then let's make these Vada. Okay. So you want to get your hands wet? And then grab it and kind of shape it just a little bit. Don't want to shape it too much. And keep your hands wet. That's the main thing. Small Vada, that's kind of fun. Here's a bigger Vada. Somewhere in there. Keep hands wet. Small Vada. I can save this for later. Save it on the counter for a while. That seems to work. I don't think we really need more than 6 for 2 of us. That should be good. We do need something to drain them on now. Pizza screen. That's perfect. That's good. They cook a little bit once you pull them out anyhow, so You don't want to go too crazy with them. Don't need to make them golden brown because they'll kind of sit there and brown a little bit. But that's it. Thanks for watching.